Hello, hello, hello. As promised, I'm back in Yorba to give you a preview of the models we have. They're under construction. The grand opening is not until September 29 as of now, which might be delayed. Don't try to comment, they don't let you in. But right behind me, you see the Plan 3 model, Plan 5 model, and this one is our Plan 4. They look great even at this stage. Something that I love about them is the fact that all of the bedrooms in all different floor plans, they have their own bathrooms. Then you get a powder room for the guests on the first floor and also a powder room for the loft on the second floor. They all have a big loft, and there is another powder room for the loft. So if you have your friends over and you're hanging out on the second floor, they don't need to go to the bathroom to use who want the bedroom to use the bathroom. The other thing, you're gonna love the master bathrooms, huge master bathrooms with huge showers. All of them are connected to a balcony which looks into the backyard. A lot of outdoor patios in all three of them, which with a fireplace. So that would be great to entertain. The backyards are pretty decent, especially when you add the California room to it. It's gonna look very gorgeous. The backyards are coming together. The landscaping is not done yet, but I think very soon, within 2 months, when you come in to see the models, you're going to be very impressed by how they. So let's take a look at the Plan 3 model, 4697 square feet. When you come in right off the bat, you have the guest bedroom right on the right hand side. Has ensuite bathroom separate from the other parts of the house. When you go back to the right hand side, you have the stairs to the second floor. On the left, you have a big space. You can use this as an office or flex space for any purposes that you might have. Very open foyer. The door you see on the right hand side is going to be the access to the garage, 3-car garage program or tandem. This is the pantry. We are inside the kitchen area. You see the living room. The island is not too big. The door is not very big. The dining area, and then sliding doors which leads you into the California room with the fire. On the second floor, we have a lot of open space. There is the den. Your master bedroom is right over here, which we're gonna go to it next. Very big loft area, and then you have 3 bedrooms on this side. As I mentioned before, all the bedrooms have their own bathroom. Also, there is a powder room. When you're using the den, you don't need to go to a bedroom to use the bathroom. There is a powder room over here, which I love, and 2 more bedrooms on the other side. See plenty of windows all around. But let's get back to the den and to the master bedroom, which is totally on the other side of the den. At the end, you see that's the laundry room, and this is the small hallway which leads to the master bedroom. Very spacious, a lot of windows, very bright. That part of your veranda, there are a lot of beautiful trees. So when you look out, it's very gorgeous and beautiful. Master bathrooms are big. It's the master bathroom Plan 3, obviously. You will have 2 sinks on both sides of the closet, which is that door. That's the restroom area. Walk-in closet, which is pretty big, very big, giant. Even you could be able to put the island in the middle. The shower, huge. And this is pretty much the size of the backyard, the back of the home. Of the model. They are more than average. So residence 4 is right behind me, around 5,000 square feet and 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 2 extra powder rooms. As soon as you come in, this one has the dining area separated with the living room. So it has a formal dining area totally separated. On this side, you have another bedroom, which is your guest bedroom on the first floor. So let's go back inside the hallway. That's the bathroom, powder room for the guests. There's to the second floor. Right next to it is the access to the garage. A lot of living space here. Two sets of sliding doors to go to the California room. Big kitchen. And when you go back, you can walk through the kitchen to the dining room, and there is a pantry coming up to the left. And this is your formal dining area. The second floor, as we go up, like other floor plans, there is a big loft. You know, at this stage, it doesn't show how nice and grand the area is going to be, this entire openness. The loft in this one is huge. As you see, we are in the loft. You can have a dining table here, technically, and, you know, the living room, you know, it's very spacious. You can even set up an office on one side of it. Excuse me. So we have one of the bedrooms over here. Secondary bedrooms, obviously. We are heading to the other secondary bedroom. Very decent size. The shower, the bathroom on top. Now we are heading to the master bedroom. The same setup as plan 3, access to the balcony. That's the door to the bathroom that you see, so you can go from the master bathroom. Also, this is the master bathroom, giant shower. There will be a tub and huge walk-in closet. The interesting part is that from this walk-in closet, you can walk into the laundry room. This is the laundry room. There will be a tub right in front of us where the windows are, and then you can walk into the balcony. This is the California room, big California room with a fireplace. Very decent sized bathroom. But let's head into our plan 5. The largest floor plan we have. It has 5 bedrooms. It's the next gen floor plan. To the right is the next gen that I'm going to go to a few. But then you have the stairs which goes to the second floor. Separated dining and living area, a lot of sliding doors. This is the garage, 3-car garage door on tandem. When you go in, it enters into the kitchen, so you have a pantry to the left hand side, and then you walk into the kitchen. There's a fireplace in your California room to the right. That's the guest powder room. So this is the next gen, right? Off the entrance. This is the pretty much the living room for the next gen. It has its own exit to the side of the home. There will be a sink over there, and when you walk toward the bedroom, in the hallway to the left, you have a stackable washer and dryer. And that's the bathroom for the next suite. And then obviously the bedroom. So second floor, when you come up, you have a flex room here. You can use it as an office, you can use it as a playroom, and then in addition to that, you have that loft right over there. Big loft. And this is your master bedroom. Again, big, a lot of windows. You also have an exercise area in there. So the balcony comes with a fireplace. And in the master bathroom that you head to the left-hand side, right over here, you have an exercise area. You can have the treadmill, you can make a small gym out of it. And you have the shower. The tub is going to sit right in front of it. And then you have two sets of sliding door, 90 degrees with the pole. It's going to look gorgeous, but it's going to have to imagine it. So let's go see the as I mentioned, walk-in closet is huge. Look at the size of it. So just like the floor plan 4, you'll have access to the laundry area, which makes it very convenient. Laundry room. Another door to the loft. And 3 more bedrooms on this side. Two more bedrooms here. This is pretty much summing up our video today. If you are interested to join our priority list, let me know. It's not open yet when I recorded this video, but if you send me your information, I will make sure to notify you as soon as it's possible. This is the backyard. The model home has again a very decent space.